Disclaimer: this video is meant for entertainment purpose, so please don't take it seriously and hate. Thank you. 1. Yeah, what happened? JK, nothing. 1. Then what are you doing here? JK, what's your problem? 1. Yes, because you are making me angry. Please go to your office, Jungkook, angrily. JK, what should I do? Oh god. 1. Don't do anything, please focus on your work. JK, but I can't leave you like this. 1. Please try to understand. 1. I am fine. 1. You smiled. Why are you so beautiful? JK, beautiful, he laughed at you. 1. Don't go. JK, he chuckled. I knew it. 1. What should I do now? He is scrolling his phone. 1. I'm hungry. JK, he gets shocked after hearing. 'JK, I'm very tired.' Fake cry. 1. Haha, that's why I was telling you to go to your work. 'JK, I can do anything. I'm very strongest man. 1. Okay, so go and cook something delicious. 'JK, okay. 1. What are you cooking? While smiling. 'JK, my mind. 'JK, because I know you love to eat my mind, right? Fake smile. 1. Hate you while raising your eyebrows. 'JK, oh sorry, please. 1. Don't talk to me. I don't want to eat anything. Thank you. 'JK, hey, where are you going? 1. You didn't say anything to him. 'JK, hey, wait, please. Oh god, it's burning. No. He ran towards the kitchen. I'm very strong man. I can manage anything. He started motivating himself. 1. You are just admiring your husband. He is silently doing his work on his laptop. 1. Gentleman. 1. Mom, but suddenly you started having pain. 'JK, he quickly look at you. What happened? He immediately came to you. 1. Seems like. JK, oh okay. Please be strong, okay? 1. I will definitely. Oh my god, you started crying so much. JK, don't say like this, please. He started going towards the outside. After few months. 1. Sure, Mrs. Wang. Your baby is so cute. 1. Thank you, auntie. Mrs. Wang. She is first time carrying your son. Mrs. Wang. Hello, cutie. How are you? 1. Your baby started smiling at Mrs. Wang. JK, what are you doing here? Mrs. Wang. Hello, son. JK, hello, auntie. He smiled at her, but look at you. Who told you to come outside home? 1. I wanted to take some fresh air. That's why. Don't worry. JK, now let's go. Mrs. Wang. Okay, bye bye. While giving your son to Jungkook. 1. Bye, auntie. JK. Bye bye, auntie. Nice to meet you. He smiled at her. 1. You always do like this angrily. JK. Because I care about you too. While looking at you. 1. Don't look at me. You doesn't let me to go anywhere. Give me my child to me. JK. Sit up. He laughed at you. 1. You rolled your eyes and stared at him. JK. Hello, my little champ. What are you saying? JK. Look at your mom. She's a angry bird, you know. He started laughing. When your eyes get widened and you laughed too. JK, hey, hey. But JK, he gets happy so much. Van, haha. JK, smiling at you. Van, you too. Baby, he started crying suddenly. JK, no, 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 please don't cry. We love you too. Oh God, Van, yes. After 2 years, Van, Jihu, don't run. JK, Jihu. He shouted at him because he is running very fast. Jihu, he get scared. Van, Jungkook, what is this? JK, he needs a scold too because what if he will get hurt? Jihu, he started crying so much. JK, don't talk to him. Van, you are silent because of your husband. JK, come here. Jihu, no, while running to you. JK, again, raising his eyebrows while looking at him angrily. Jiho, Dad scolded me while crying. Van, yes, yes, he is very bad, you know. JK, oh really? I love my child more than you. It's not like that, Van. Van, I can see. Van, you smiled at your son. JK, I can understand him very clearly. Van, what? JK, nothing. He chuckled. Van, okay. Jihu, Mama. Van, your eyes get widened. Van, yes, Jihu. Jihu, Mama. Van, you look at Jungkook, JK. But he looked away and laughed at you. Van, don't laugh, JK. Why, huh? I'm proud of my son. You know, you are just like me, Jihu. Jihu, Mama, let's go. While ignoring Jungkook, JK, where? Van, you know very well, Jungkook. JK, hey, she is my wife. Jihu, my mama. While staring at his dad angrily. Jihu, Mama, fake cry. JK, listen, you don't need to go anywhere, Van. Van, oh God, I don't want to talk to you too. Please leave me alone. Jihu, it's happening because of you. JK, oh really? JK, okay, bye. I'm going to my mission. Take care of yourself. Jihu, Dad, his eyes get widened. JK, he is about to go. Jihu, no, he runs toward the Jungkook. Jihu, don't go while crying. JK, don't talk to me while showing him. Fake angry face. Jihu, Dada, will crying so much. JK, come. JK, don't cry. I'm not going anywhere. Okay? Van. Their daily drama. Fake smiling at them. JK, Mom, come here. Van, what happened? JK, my Jihu wants something. Van, oh hello. Now you don't need to support him. First, you check his teeth. JK, his child Van. Van, Jihu, please eat something yummy, yummy, okay? My son. After some times, JK, he is looking at you silently, but you are looking at Jungkook very angrily. JK, nice, Van, go from here. Angrily. JK, Jiho, everything is fine, son. Jiho, yes, dad. Jiho, he is laughing and enjoying your and Jungkook's fight. Jiho, haha, Van, you drink silently or else I will scold you too. angrily. Why? Why are you coming with us, Jungkook? Jungkook, you are a mafia's wife. That's why mafia can't leave you alone. Jiho, you don't need to come here, Dad. I'm here with Mom. JK, that's my little mafia. Great, great job, my son. Proudly.